Monday through Tuesday. Philadelphia, mostly sunny skies. 72. Winds at 8 miles an hour. Raleigh, partly sunny skies. 75. Wind calm. Now for some observations on the
Well, that was my worst capture ever of Boston. Could barely hear it because of a tropo.
Francisco,